Hi, I'm going to go over using a unit rate as a way to solve a proportion. So for these notes, I'm looking at this proportional word problem about Miss Crumrine making party mix with Chex cereal and M&Ms. And so this is a proportional relationship because it's a recipe, and recipes need to stay in the same ratio, so they'll be proportional. And I could solve the situation. I could use a scale factor to solve it, or even an equation really. But I'm going to use this other strategy called unit rate. And so to do that, I'm going to be writing a proportion. But instead of stopping at 2 lines, I'm going to write a third line because the middle is going to be the unit rate. This is where I'm going to put the unit rate. So if Miss Crumrine uses 9 cups of M&Ms, how much Chex cereal should she use? So I'm going to keep that recipe as 9 cups of Chex cereal for every 6 cups of M&Ms. So I'm trying to find the amount of cereal if I use 9 cups of M&Ms. So to do that, I'm going to find what's the amount of cereal for 1 cup of M&Ms. And to do that, I'm going to start with the original recipe, which is 6 cups. So 6 cups M&Ms is used with 9 cups of cereal. So on the numerator, it's Chex, 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 and the denominator is M&Ms, M&Ms, M&Ms. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to use the way to get to the unit rate, which is multiplying by the reciprocal or the multiplicative inverse. So 6 times 1/6 is 1, because 6 is reciprocal is 1/6. So whatever I do at the bottom, I do the top. So I'm going to do 9 times 1/6, which is 9/6, or 1 3/6, or 1 1/2. So it means it's 1 1/2 cups of cereal for every 1 cup of M&Ms. And that's the unit rate. So now that I have the unit rate, I can use that to find any number of cups of cereal that I want, or because based on the number of M&Ms. So I'm going to scale this up to 9 cups of M&Ms. So 1 times 9 is 9. So in the numerator, I'm going to multiply 1 1/2 times 9. So 1 1/2 times 9 is 13 and a half. So 13 1/2 cups of cereal for 9 cups of M&Ms. And to find that, I found the amount for 1. So pause this video now and make sure that you have, now that it's all cleaned up, make sure you have all the notes that you need for this to be in your composition book. And that was